ABC Chief Medical Correspondent Dr. Jen Ashton, and we are tracking all of the major developments today. And this big number catching our eye. New COVID-19 infection rates up nearly 20% in just the past week. That's an average of 48,000 new cases reported nationally each day.
And Dr. Ashton, what's this stuff, the antiviral pill that the vice president has been taking? Of course, she tested positive for COVID, but some confusion over who it's for, who can get it.
Right, Paxlovid, this is the antiviral pill. So let's do the deep dive on it because it certainly got a lot of attention for good reason this week with the vice president and her COVID diagnosis. So who is it for? It's really for people who are moderately and or severely immunocompromised. If you look at age stratification, ages 75 years and higher who are not up to date on their COVID-19 vaccines or boosters, or people 65 to 74 who are also not up to date on their vaccines or boosters and have one previous existing risk factor like chronic respiratory disease or diabetes or obesity. However, I really want to emphasize this is at the doctor's discretion, as most things are in medicine. So a physician can determine whether someone individually may be at higher risk or may be a good candidate for this. When people asking what was the vice president's risk factor, you know, to state the obvious, because she's the vice president. So there will be more aggressive medical management with her for good reason. But we heard from the White House that everyone should know about this. It is by prescription. So if you are diagnosed with COVID, it should be started within 5 days of symptom onset or as soon as possible after being diagnosed. But you should speak to a physician about whether or not it's for you.
All right, Dr. Jen, thank you very much.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.